Welcome back to CoCo Finance, where we explore the dazzling world of luxury through the lens of finance. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that marries the best of both worlds, the Chanel bag as an investment. In the vast universe of luxury, few names shine as brightly as Chanel. Founded by Gabrielle Coco Chanel in 1910, this iconic brand has been at the forefront of high fashion for over a century. But beyond its timeless elegance and unparalleled sophistication lies an intriguing financial narrative. A Chanel bag is not just an accessory, it's a work of art. The meticulous attention to detail, the choice of the finest materials, and the hours of craftsmanship that go into each bag make it unique. This quality ensures that Chanel bags not only retain their beauty over time but also their value. One of the key drivers behind the rising prices of Chanel bags is the brand's strategy of producing limited quantities. By creating a sense of scarcity, Chanel ensures that demand consistently outstrips supply. This scarcity principle, a classic economic driver, pushes prices upwards. The secondary market for luxury goods has seen exponential growth in recent years. Platforms dedicated to the resale of luxury items have reported that Chanel bags, especially rare and vintage models, fetch impressive prices. Some bags even appreciate to the point where they sell for more than their original cost. In an age dominated by digital assets and cryptocurrencies, tangible assets like luxury goods offer a sense of security. They are physical, touchable, and not subject to the volatile swings of the digital market. In uncertain economic times, tangible assets can act as a hedge against inflation and economic downturns. Beyond the potential for financial returns, owning a Chanel bag offers intangible benefits. The pride of ownership, the boost in confidence, the social recognition, and the sheer joy of owning a piece of luxury history are returns on investment that can't be quantified. As the global luxury market continues to grow, driven by emerging economies and a new generation of affluent consumers, the demand for iconic brands like Chanel is set to rise. This increasing demand, combined with Chanel's strategy of limited production, suggests that the value of Chanel bags will continue to appreciate in the foreseeable future. In the dance of finance and fashion, sometimes the most elegant steps are the unconventional ones. With CoCo Finance, we invite you to explore, to question, and to discover the myriad ways in which luxury and investment intertwine. As we wrap up today's exploration, remember that every investment, whether in the stock market or in the realm of luxury, carries its own set of risks. Always stay informed, consult with experts, and make decisions that resonate with your personal and financial goals. Until next time, keep blending style with substance, and remember, with CoCo Finance, your financial journey is always in vogue. Until next time, keep blending style with substance, and remember, with CoCo Finance, your financial journey is always in vogue. If you found this exploration enlightening and want to stay updated with more insights at the intersection of finance and fashion, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.